Yeah, Kat, you're going twice.
Why?
What do I?
Sorry. Why?
Oh wait!
Can you burp?
Is that better? Is that better?
No.
Can you burp for us though?
What do I do? How do I fix this?
Oh God.
What's so funny? I can't hear myself.
Well, because we can hear you like 2 or 3 times.
You're like 3 times.
Someone snorted.
Go to options and go to audio.
I'm in audio. And then my volume is
turn your push to talk. Push to talk. Turn it on.
It's off. Push to talk. Nothing's fixing this. VoIP chat volume.
Oh Lord.
Talk again, Kat. Talk for me.
Hello.
I muted her. Just mute her, guys.
How do I do that? Okay, mute.
Click on her the little icon when it pops up. Yeah.
I'm sorry guys.
Oh, it's all good. I think it's because you're hosting.
Oh no!
Yeah, just mute her. Just mute her.
Now you burp. Hold on. I'm unmuting her.
Oh, sweet, it's normal now.
I'm sorry. That's
Well
just snuck up on me.
Can you please do it?
Damn it! I ruined it.
Just do it one more time, Kat. I believe in you. Please.
I don't know if you can unmute her past the screen though.
It's gonna take a minute. I have to do another shot of soda.
Another shot of soda.
Oh, that was so tiny.
That was pretty tiny.
It was a waste of burp. Sorry guys.
All right,
Okay,
Natalie, just mute her and let's start this shit.
Ashley,
Let's go. Let's load this.
why would you do that?
Kat, go.
Going.
So, you want to hear another story, huh?
Do we want to hear
One
the
where
story?
the very
Yes.
fate of Pandora
Yes, I do.
hangs in the balance. If not, too bad. I'm telling you anyway. First, there was the vault.
I
An
just love the
alien
music
prison
video part of this.
opened
There was
with
the
a
vault.
mystical key.
War.
To the warriors,
It never
of old,
changes.
The vault was
Yeah.
just a container
War.
of tentacles. and
That ending was
disappointment.
lame.
They
Always
vanished into the
changes.
wastelands,
Lame.
certain that the vault held
I like
no
this.
treasure at all. They were wrong.
They were wrong.
The vault's opening triggered the
They
growth
figured
of
out
iridium.
how to fix their
priceless
ending.
alien
Oh.
alchemy.
If you were to
Number
put ultraviolet light on Natalie's
Rare and
burps, that's what it would look
valuable
like.
mineral emerged all across Pandora. Its appearance attracted many, including the Hyperion Corporation.
Ew.
I think my burps would
They
become
came
like a
to
greenish
Pandora
blue.
to mine iridium
Yeah, I can see
and
that.
bring order to the savage
That
planet.
sounds pretty, actually.
Through their
I mean, that is a
excavations,
compliment.
Hyperion
you.
uncovered evidence of an even greater vault.
I feel like
Their
Myra's would
leader
be kind of
vowed
like
to find
a...
it, to use
Lavender
its power
purple?
to civilize
Yes,
the Borderlands
yes.
once and for all.
Yeah.
But Hyperion
But she
were
doesn't
the only
remember.
ones searching for the next vault's alien power.
What are you guys talking about?
The
Kat, what
call
color
of
would your burps
danger
be?
and loot is not so easy.
Did you guys say Guardians of the Galaxy?
Certain
It would be like
warriors
Technicolor,
came to Pandora in
fluorescent,
droves to
vibrant
uncover
80s
its hidden
shooting
Yeah.
out of my face.
Yeah.
Some would call them
Too
adventurers.
much.
Others call them fools. But I,
You only
Call
say
them
that about
vault
burritos, but
hunters.
it's funny every time.
our story
I'm never gonna let us
begins
stomach
with
farts.
them. And with
Oh,
No
thank
one's
God.
gonna be able to hear your stomach farts.
Handsome Jack is handsome.
Yeah, he is. We should get an
This
extra
is the best
microphone.
part. This is the best part. This is the best part.
Oh no, this is the worst part. I
This
hate
is the best part.
man.
I hate this. Makes me so
The
sad.
music video part. I
You
love
should
it.
quit talking over it, maybe.
Fuck you.
Oh, cute beast. I'm so sorry.
Looks like pubes on the ground.
He is cute.
Ew.
Pubes
What
on
do
the
your
ground.
pubes look like? No, thank you.
Wow, man, that's not what I saw, but no, that's all I see.
Oh, you got this weird vagina face beast. He's just minding his own business.
They are fucking insane.
I'm gonna fart.
Do it!
Are you gonna stomach fart or are you
did.
gonna actually fart?
I actually did.
Oh, I missed it.
Yes.
We should just do this all over again then.
Yes.
I love the music.
This has excellent
I love
music. 2K!
Oh, that hurt my stomach.
Gearbox says that to a lot of
Gearbox.
people.
Yeah.
Wasn't this the first cell shading game to come out? And it was all mind blowing because it's awesome.
It was definitely the most popular, but not the first.
Okay.
Hey, look, it's all of us. Not really.
Yeah!
Actually. Gage is in there.
There's me.
Oh, no!
There's not me.
It's me, and me.
I need to repersonalize.
There's me.
this.
Yeah.
Ooh, you look good.
Oh, I do.
You're hot.
I'd totally.
I don't feel like his art style fits in with the others.
He's too realistic.
He looks a little. He just looks different from the others. Yeah, he doesn't look toony enough.
He reminds me of Duke Nukem, but better looking.
I can see that.
She also reminds me of Chloe from Life is Strange.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
It's gonna be
I
real
didn't think of it
weird
until you
playing
said it.
that game when she doesn't have blue hair.
Yeah.
I tried to like him, but I hated
I
I hated
I
the
love the
dual gun thing. I just couldn't get behind
What?
it.
That's
Are
the
you
best
serious?
part.
I know,
Dual
I can't-
wielding is the best.
crazy.
I know. I just couldn't. I didn't like it.
She looks badass.
I'm not as good with this guy.
He's cool, but I also not stealth in this game either. So
I would have chosen him
Yeah, I don't
if
think
didn't
he's
see
the best
Gage.
character.
Best outfit.
as a number.
Oh, he's like Fat Boy Slim.
Oh, handsome Jack.
It's cute that y'all think you're the heroes of this little adventure, but you're not. Welcome to Pandora, kiddos.
The robot kind of looked like Joker. Just a little bit.
A little bit.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. Oh yeah, we should do our thing. Hey guys.
Hey. We are the Devastating Vestibules. I'm Myratron, aka Myra.
I'm Catherine, aka Skidoodly Bop.
I'm Ashley, aka Chaotica.
I'm Natalie. Metallica.
Where you guys at?
I don't know.
Who this?
Give me another hour and I'll be right back because I just have to break everything open.
Butterfly in the sky.
Yeah, I always
I can
change
go
my key
twice as
bindings.
high. Take a look. It's in a book. A reading rainbow.
I'd want to say other parts of it, but that'd be really bad.
I know. Me as well.
You think this is a motherfucking game?
Oh, look at all these little baby crap traps all hanging out here, little buddy.
They're all dead.
I know, I was trying to not allow it to be as gruesome.
Yeah,
Sorry
no.
about the mess. Everything Jack kills, he dumps here. Bandits, vault hunters, claptrap units.
Oh my god.
Tone of voice.
I'm
Now,
actually quite depressed.
long-named knuckle dragger killed everyone I know.
Lots of health over here, Ashley and Myra.
I wish I could, oh, what?
That's a cutscene.
Wow!
I'm trying to change
I didn't even get my gun yet.
My eye!
Oh, that's right. This segues into the gun.
Help!
The gun in the
Whoa, where'd I get all these guns from? Oh, from the, I get it. It's from the Game of the Year edition.
Myra just like blacked out and just stole everyone's gun. So, do we feel like we're ready to play? Did you guys acquire your weapons? Let's kill things!
Alright. Apparently my F is my special ability, so I'll just keep my middle mouse.
Let me get this door open and we'll hunt ourselves.
Oh yeah, it's happening.
Yeah.
Hey, ladies.
Onward, seeing eye vision. Let me know if I'm gonna run into anything.
Oh, I can't get out of this menu.
I'll just
We
assume
also
you
don't.
didn't
I
see-
mean, you could be a lady too. Let's be real.
I'm no lady.
Ever fought a siren before?
Okay, let's actually kill things now. This is getting boring.
Sorry, I was in a menu. I'm back. Go.
I was thrusting at Myra. Sorry.
Ooh.
You were thrusting?
Thrusting!
Thrusting.
Around this glacier, I bet you will find my eye in frostbite crevasse.
Bravo.
While I was unconscious.
Yeah, I totally did rape you. Sorry.
Stick close to the
So
robot.
V
He will help
is
you get off this glacier
our
and into
power
the city of
ability, right?
Sanctuary.
For me,
That
it's
is the
F.
only place
So
you'll
I
be
think
safe.
all of our shit's different.
Okay. I guess we'll find out in a second.
Need to check that.
Ooh,
Wait, where is
You
he?
can check your key bindings.
There's no time for that shit. Okay.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Yes, mine is F as well. Okay.
I don't know how to. It's not working! Woo! Ah!
P90 looks thing.
Let's
gun.
go.
I have Reading Rainbow trapped in my head now.
Get to Sanctuary.
Alright,
what
she's
happened to
got
me.
a good voice. She's got a good voice.
I'll let you get that. Wait, do we share cash?
Yes, I
Sure
believe
that,
so,
right?
right?
Oh! I was trying to hug all of it.
So, does everyone have 62?
Jack's tearing
Where do I find
Pandora
this?
apart to find the vault.
Oh,
They
I
say
have,
Jack's
I
drone
have
operations are causing
77.
Oh, yeah.
I have 335.
Zing!
Well,
I think
that's
'cause
because
I'm
you're
level
higher
3.
level
You'll
than
need
us.
that funny little robot's help to reach Sanctuary.
I don't know,
The
guys.
last
I really
bastion
think
of
she's
the
pretty.
resistance against Jack. And the only
Yes, she
place
is.
you'll be truly
Okay,
safe.
guys, give
I
me a
think
second
the-
here. One
Too.
second.
Sanctuary.
The siren lady, the one from the beginning, is more attractive.
Once,
Lilith?
fire weapon, melee, grenade. Activate skill is F. Okay.
Yeah, pretty good.
I guess I just have
Can't
it.
read.
Big one.
No, I just F didn't do anything.
Oh, the
That's annoying.
time between shots on this
Now get me
gun
out of here before
sucks.
Borderlands
Boom.
arrive. Many thanks, friend of friends.
You're
Onward.
welcome.
Hey, kiddo,
Reading
Jack here, president of
Rainbow.
Hyperion.
I'm just gonna pick up all this money you guys acquired for me. Thank
Vault
you.
hunters show up. Vault
And then
hunter
we'll
looks
share
for
it
the new
unanimously.
vault. Vault hunter gets killed.
We'll share it together.
You see the problem here? You're still alive. So if you could just do me a favor and off
Shut up,
yourself, that'd be
handsome
great.
Jack. And rip that mask off your face.
And open.
Does your guys' cover the full screen of your computer, or
Yes.
do you have black
I see a
on
tough-looking
the
minion
sides of it?
and an incredibly
I got
useful
black on the
robot,
sides.
which
You
makes
can
it
choose
whoever
if it's
was
windowed or
behind
full screen.
is very close.
Woo! Knuckle dragger.
Tiny feet, tiny feet.
Big hands.
Oh god. We're gonna die.
No, we're not. Yeah. I'm way behind.
I got your behind, Myra.
Yeah, you always got my behind.
Anybody see a sniper rifle? Let me know, because I want that.
My gun sucks ass.
He's on me though, so just shoot the fuck
Can
out
we
of him.
accidentally shoot each other?
No, it's turned off.
They're coming
Also,
out
I don't think our abilities are acquired yet.
We don't get him until level 5.
Oh, that sucks. Thanks for the
Oh,
reminder.
shit. Ah, shit. Get away, get away, get away, get away,
You're
get
good,
away.
you're good, I got you.
Thanks.
I got you.
Got him. Got him. I murdered him.
Ooh, what are you? Yes, I want it.
Ooh. Gonna pick up Claptrap's eye.
Got my eye.
Do it.
Now we just gotta find someone to put it back
Hate
into me.
pistols.
Much as I'm sure you'd like to jam your fist into my
Shotgun.
skull, optics
Yeah,
I'll
I'm shot.
jam.
I'm shoddy
But
SMG.
Myrisburg can fix me up. Alon C.
Ugh!
Flyer's on the other side of this Hyperion barge. Let's say we cut through it, chum.
Okay, guns.
We shall.
Ha! This door's Hyperion text. Child's play.
No.
And open!
Oh, hey, I've got my first personal diary. Do you want me to activate it since we're playing this game from the start?
Intruders detected. Do it.
I don't think we'll hear it, though.
I think we will.
Well, I hear getting
Or
eaten
maybe
alive
not.
by bullybogs isn't
1
such a
second.
bad way
I'm
to
equipping
go.
my guns.
Let
Got
me
it.
get that for you. Executing phase shift. You're welcome. Perks of being an artificial intelligence. I'm networked into almost everything on this planet. It's a long way to Sanctuary. Please take whatever you need for the journey ahead.
We want it all.
We want it all. We want it all.
And in this location,
We
let me know when
want
you're
it
ready
all.
to go meet with Sir
We
Hammerlock,
want it
minion.
now. That was terribly off key on my side. I'm sorry.
Let's go this way.
Was that from the 90s Game of Thrones opening? Had you seen that?
No.
That's what I think of when I hear that. I'll just
no.
you.
I just love Queen.
Minion, roll out.
Can I give somebody the sniper? Because I don't.
Yes, please.
Okay, how do I drop it? Oh, I'm dropping it. I've dropped it.
Hold on,
Someone
you guys.
give me
Through it.
Someone give me a shotgun. Give me a
I
shotgun.
think I have a shotgun. Hang
Okay.
tight for 1 second.
While you guys do that, I'm just gonna check my settings for video.
How do I drop this? Okay.
Oh, that's why. Fuck that. Here we go. Apply changes.
Is that
I
alright?
also chucked it. There it is.
Oh my god, that is so much better.
Kind of flung it. Sorry.
No, it's okay. I did the same thing.
Are we all equipped with our guns that we like?
Minion,
Do you want to
Yes.
trade anymore?
needs help.
I'm good.
Okay, let's do this. Ready? Claptrap.
This thing is beautiful. It's massively disgusting.
Lord, cleaning
Chapter 2.
up Berg. Oh, baby, cleaning up Berg. Oh, mama.
Yeah. Oh, it's
Here we go,
fast.
bird.
Oh my god.
Can you holster your weapon, or do you just always stick it out in front of you all the time?
I think the latter.
Yes.
Keep your wits about you, minion. This
Wow.
house is run by a bandit.
Everything looks so much better now.
The jerk kept me as his torture plaything
Nice.
for a few months. We played
Now that your Claptrap eye is back in your socket?
Nah.
People
Whoa.
of Pandora, Handsome Jack here, offering $1 million to whoever brings me the head of the
I'll take $1 million.
Liarsburg.
I may have made a
I'm still
mistake.
offering a reward for rolling the mass murdering leader of the Crimson Raiders. Good hunting, bandits.
I love that you can jump from great heights without your health going down, and you get this crazy vertigo rush.
That's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say something similar. It's just like you have no fall damage, but it still feels fucking scary as shit.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I could poke through in here.
Alright, boys, this is Captain Flint. I want you to find
I kind of want to shoot these guys now, even though the gate's not up.
Yeah, you can, I believe.
Yeah.
I just shot a marauder in the head.
Nice. I'm gonna go around the gate then, because I want to murder everything. I went around the gate. Sorry.
Spectacular! First Captain Flint's bandits attack.
Spectacular, spectacular.
Horrifyingly cruel to puppies in a previous life to
Moulin
deserve this
Rouge?
type of treatment.
Yes.
I say, Vault Hunter, could you kill Flint's men for me?
Ooh. The cover. Thumb.
With you boys!
Bull run!
Proposition for you, Vault Hunter.
Shit.
Give up! We'll just shoot you in the head. It'll be quick, clean, and a hell of a lot less painful than what Handsome Jack will do.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Thanks, Sarah.
Oh, I punched him in the nuts!
That was too
wow.
aggressive. But it was worth it.
Damn it! This ain't over, Grinder!
Hey,
Since my minion just saved your town, you want to do your best to
Minions.
a favor and stare my eye?
Yes, I suppose I am in your
Don't
debt
forget
now,
to check
aren't
the
I?
mailboxes
Come to my shack
and
and I shall restore
rooftops for
Claptrap's
goods.
sight. First, I shall shut off the electrical
Don't forget
fence for you.
to loot the entire town of every single valuable.
Yep.
I knew Hammerlock would come around
I hope this video's like, what, 5 hours? We've got plenty of time, right?
Oh yeah. Oops.
Apologies, but when Claptrap speaks, I feel my brain cells committing suicide one by one. I shall be out
legit.
directly.
Let's be real.
Do we want to kill the Balrogs for some experience points and then start the quest to actually kill them?
Did you say experience points?
Experience points.
Sure.
Because they're right here and I want to kill them.
Let's do it.
Sure.
Wait, let me get to my little perch up here.
Wait, what are we trying to do? I wasn't
Let me
listening.
find
Like,
your
The
perch.
Balrogs?
Alright, I'm gonna rush in. Are you ready?
No.
Yes. You're fine. You can hold back for a moment. There they are.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit. Uh oh.
Don't mind me. Keep going, guys. I got this. Oh, someone took my kill. Oh, okay.
Woohoo! Level 3.
Yeah, me too.
Let's get our power soon. Oh, I'm stuck in a rock. Oh, come on! All that, and I get stuck in a rock.
I was like, someone took my kill, and then I got immediately revived, and I was like, oh, okay.
Alright. Let's go over here and do things. You know, like, just have you in.
You sound robotic.
Yeah, a little bit.
A pleasure to meet you,
Well,
Voltron.
ironic.
I am Sir Hammerlock.
You guys sound robotic.
At your service. For my own... men trapped me on this glacier.
Do we all sound robotic? Cause
No.
Nah.
Just cat.
I can listen to T-Pain.
Yeah.
I'm on a boat, motherfucker.
Hand me the robot's eye, please.
Yeah, hand him the Iowa and loot all of this shit. Let's go.
Time to join up with the Crimson Raiders in Sanctuary.
This is so beautiful. Just look at it.
Oh, let's
I
all
would
just
kill
take a moment.
myself right now to do that, but I couldn't. That was so. That
I
was
got
so
that.
perfect. That was so perfect and on accident. It was 100% on accident. It was the best ever, though.
There, she's still falling. There she goes.
Did she jump? Did she
Yeah.
fucking jump? Oh man,
Wait, what?
yeah.
Let it go.
Let it go. Cold never bothered me anyway.
Shut up.
Frozen fractals all around.
Okay, does anybody need to
Butterflies
stock up
in
on
the
anything?
sky.
Frozen fractals all around.
Turn in. I'm a turn in.
Do it.
Oh, do we have to turn in?
Walking with the
Yeah,
dead
or do we all
man
turn
over
in
my shoulder.
together?
I think one of us just has to turn it in,
How are you
right?
enjoying life?
Oh,
Right.
sorry.
This town used to have a spectacular
Sorry,
amount of
sorry,
bustle.
so sorry.
Spectacular.
Sir,
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Though
The
Captain
words
Flint
of the
killed everyone
vernacular.
in Liar's Bar, I see no reason that wild Bullymong should...
Alright. Bully monks.
Dare he tell us that the bully monks can't lollygag?
Your HUD pertains to your active mission.
Anyone
You can change your
lollygagging
active mission by
deserves
using
to
the mission block
die.
in your active
Okay, let's go. Let's go
Alright.
kill things.
Lollygagging.
I'm behind you, skadoodly bop.
Oh yeah, we need to push the button to make that thing open. No, we need to go over here. God damn these stupid little quests that I forgot about.
God damn it, skadoodly bop. I thought I was following you.
Don't follow me.
We're killing bully monks.
I am not a leader.
This
Where
way.
are we going? We're going this way. Follow me then, dick butts.
No, we're supposed to do this, remember? The bully
dick butt.
Oh,
the
hey,
lollygagging.
hold on. Oh, we can change our appearance right here, though.
Oh!
Customization
Oh!
section. You
I'm
can
good,
use
though.
this to
What
change your
happened?
appearance
Oh shit!
and reset your skill points.
It's the quest. We have to do the quests. Or we should. I don't know. If you want points. Hello, hello, friends.
Oh, this damn reload time.
Yeah, really. I just hit reload again, and I didn't need to, but...
That's one area free of bullymongs.
Bullymongs.
Even greater achievement if anyone in
Zip
Liar's
horned.
still alive to celebrate your victory, but still, well done.
Oh, it's all good.
Reloading, sorry. So sorry. Yeah.
Oh, we have to clear the pond. I see what you're doing now.
Well, they saw
Reload
her,
time,
so
man,
I
is
tried
balls.
to cover her, but she fell down with me. Very satisfying.
Most efficacious.
There we go.
Bullymongs will think twice about raiding
Peaceful cities in the future.
Woohoo!
Or very peaceful.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
I fell. Or I jumped, and it was crazy.
Hey, I got another
Alright.
gun. You can have it if you wanna.
Quite the douche he is.
Yeah, this shotgun's meh,
Quite
but
the douche.
What's the best way
I
back
do
up?
prefer it over
Probably
up
up
here.
here.
Out here for any length of time, you'll need a better shield. I
Butterflies
humbly
in
suggest
the
paying a visit to the old
sky.
Crimson Raider safe house.
I wish we could just
You'll
skip
need to
the
take elevator.
tutorial.
I'm on a boat, motherfucker,
Take
No.
a look. It's in a
with
book.
my flippy floppies.
Reading rainbow.
You can buy shields
I
here.
fucked a mermaid.
I can go anywhere. Suck my dick.
We need to go down here to. God damn it. Map.
Yeah, well, it's right here. We just gotta turn it on. Yep. There we
Thank
go.
you.
We gotta get our goddamn shields.
You think this is a motherfucking game?
Not that way.
I know.
Are you guys looking at the scenery at all?
Nope, I'm jumping to my death. That felt real.
I try.
That felt real good. The shield's over here.
A lot of work went into this.
But
Gotta kill them first.
oh, I have 1 health. That's funny. Ah, shit.
I keep forgetting about my ability.
We don't have it. Oh, unless you're level 5.
Oh, no, I am not. Well then. Okay, what's hitting me? Oh, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Man, maybe I should have played the Psycho. I'm playing very aggressive.
Do I pull it?
Yes.
Do I touch it? I'm touching it.
Of course, I forgot. The safe house power box stopped working after Claptrap attempted to integrate with it.
Giggity.
Wow, what a kidder. Just get a new fuse for the elevator and ignore what he said about that power box.
Oh,
We've
there's
hijacked the
stairs.
train that runs through the dust. If all goes well, we should get to Sanctuary in a day's time. Hyperion hasn't diverted any troops from
I
New Haven
really
to the
liked
sewers, and
her.
the
I was
sandstorm
sad
has devoured
about
their
that.
nearest frontier town.
No spoilers.
I mean,
We just did. Damn it! Everyone,
We've
get
all
away from the
beat this
windows.
game.
No, I haven't.
Sorry.
I haven't beat it either.
Discovered one of Helena
This
Pierce's
is like
audio
the very
logs.
beginning,
She
though,
was a
if you
lieutenant
find
in the
all of her
Crimson
voice
Raiders, the
things,
anti-Hyperion
so...
resistance. I'd be very interested to
Oh, you
know
guys
how
are
they
leaving all this delicious loot just laying around untouched. Undevoured.
We gotta get a fuse! Brill!
Sorry. I was killing the guys on the other side.
That's the wrong direction.
That, not for me, it wasn't.
How do I crouch? What the fuck? Oh.
Fuck.
Why is my C not crouching? I had to remap that.
C-Tech astronomy. C-Tech astronomy.
Nah, fuck.
Cooties
Don't kill that guy. I need him. Don't kill him. He's mine.
Okay.
That's
Taking him for you.
Yeah, thank you. I gotta remap my keys.
After this, go for it. We'll have plenty of time. We can just sit tight.
Can I smash the explosive gas tank?
Yes!
You mean that
always.
Ah! Ashley!
Oh, how do we throw grenades?
You're on fire!
I don't have any grenades, so I don't know.
G for grenade.
Got it. I think I threw it at myself. I am a genius.
Where you at, Myra? Where you at? There you
Oh,
are.
back here.
Hurrah! I saved you!
hi.
I saved you!
Oh,
Yeah,
snap,
G for
yo.
grenade.
Wanna get bubble tea?
Boba! Wow, man.
Oh shit.
Second right now. Well, actually, hold on. Let me second win. Ah, someone took him.
Sorry.
You're gonna be fine.
It's good.
I'm staying calm.
Need to be out of sight.
I'm terrible at this game. Oh!
Oh, there's somebody on the second story that's shooting at us.
Oh, there he is.
Just plug that fuse in a Brewster's power box.
Got him.
And you'll be able to ride
I'm
the
gonna
elevator.
change.
Don't forget to check toilets because they always have guns on them because that makes sense.
And they're good guns.
They like to poop and shoot. Shall we?
There.
I
Ooh, I
want
see some shit up
control to be... Perfect. Alright, control is gonna be my crouch.
Yeah, I need to change my crouch because see why.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Oh, I like C.
No, I fucked it. Shit. Default. I messed it up.